Subscribe to Tech Features on your YouTube app and don't forget to press the bell icon. With that, you will be notified whenever I upload my next video. Hello people, welcome back to Tech Features, and today I am back with another video where in this video I will be helping you to register into the PhonePe app, which is used to transfer the money from one account to another account. So without any delay, let's get started. But before we start, don't forget to press the bell icon. With that, you will be notified whenever I upload my next. Here. So first of all, you just need to click on the link which is in the description. So here I am putting a link and pasting the link. So you just need to go through the link. With that, you will put this into your 100 rupees into your account. So now you just need to click on install. Accept it. If you go through this link, then you will be getting a 100 rupees as a registering gift. 100 rupees you will be getting, and that can be transferred to your account. So try to go through the link and then get 100. So after you open the PhonePe app. Click on register now. First of all, you just need to enter your mobile number which is linked with your bank account. So now verify your name. And you will be getting a code, email address. So that's it. After entering your email, enter the code which has been sent to your mobile. One-time password. Sorry, you just need to keep your password. So after entering your email, you just need to keep a password. So that's it. After entering your password, click on continue. So here you go, you have been done, and select the language. Now you just need to add your bank detail. So that's it guys for this video, and how to add a bank account in PhonePe app, that will be made as part 2. And don't forget to subscribe and press the icon, with that you will be notified my next video. So stay tuned to Tech Features, and I will upload my for part 2 within a short period. So thank you all for watching my video. Wow.